Here are 35 sentences about the culinary history of West Virginia. West Virginia's rich culinary landscape reflects its Appalachian roots and cultural diversity. The state's cuisine is heavily influenced by its Scottish, Irish, and German heritage. Traditional West Virginian dishes often feature local ingredients such as wild game meats, cornmeal, and molasses. Smoked meats are a staple in many rural households, where wood-fired smokers preserve tender cuts of beef, pork, and chicken. Appalachian cuisine is characterized by hearty, comforting dishes like pepper pot soup and Hoecakes. Hoecakes, a flatbread made from cornmeal, water, and salt, have been a staple for centuries. This simple bread was cooked on griddles or in skillet ovens to create crispy, golden brown pancakes. Wild game meats are also a mainstay of West Virginia cuisine, with venison, rabbit, and squirrel being popular choices. Game hunters often dry cure meats to preserve them for later consumption. Smoked ham and bacon are another staple of rural households. Cornbread is a classic Southern side dish that has become synonymous with West Virginia cuisine. Sweet corn from local farms adds moisture and flavor to the crumbly bread. The addition of jalapenos, hot sauce, or other spicy ingredients gives cornbread an authentic kick. The Appalachian region was home to various ethnic groups, each contributing their own unique culinary traditions. German immigrants introduced apple butter, a rich spread made from cooked apples, to the area. Apple cider and donuts are still popular treats during harvest festivals. Scottish influence can be seen in traditional dishes like Scotch eggs, hard-boiled eggs wrapped in sausage meat and breadcrumbs. Irish immigrants brought their love of potatoes, which became an essential ingredient in many West Virginia recipes. Boiled potatoes with salt pork or ham are a classic side dish. Coal mining has played a significant role in shaping the state's culinary history. Miners often relied on simple, filling meals like bean soup or cornmeal mush to sustain them throughout long shifts. In the 1950s and 60s, coal miners developed hearty sandwiches called miner sandwiches, featuring thick-cut meats, cheese, and vegetables. The Appalachian region has a rich tradition of baking bread, cakes, and pies made with local ingredients like honey, maple syrup, or molasses. These sweet treats, often served at family gatherings and celebrations, are still beloved today. Apple pie is particularly iconic in West Virginia, with its flaky crust and tart filling. Fried foods have also played an important role in Appalachian cuisine, including fried chicken, hush puppies, and corn fritters. Many of these dishes were cooked on cast-iron skillets over open fires or wood stoves. Fried catfish is another popular dish that has gained national recognition. The West Virginia State Fair features a wide range of traditional foods, including apple cider donuts, fried chicken, and pepper pot soup. The state's agricultural heritage is celebrated through its use of locally grown ingredients and traditional cooking methods. Meat pies, like meatloaf or ground beef, are also popular at family gatherings and community events. Many West Virginian towns have their own unique culinary traditions, reflecting the state's cultural diversity. For example, the Eastern Panhandle region is famous for its sweet potato dishes, including mashed, roasted, or baked sweet potatoes. The southern counties boast cornbread-crusted chicken as a staple of country cooking. Cousins to many West Virginia recipes are found in other Appalachian states. Tennessee's famous hot chicken dish shares similarities with West Virginia's own fried chicken and catfish options. Kentucky's famous Derby pie is similar to the state's own maple syrup-infused desserts. Some notable dishes that have origins outside the United States were incorporated into West Virginia cuisine through trade and cultural exchange. The region has enjoyed British imports such as beef suet pie, Welsh cakes, or Scotch eggs.